Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition. Practice with me for alto saxophone. Today, we're going to do some Christmas stuff. So we are going to do We Wish You a Merry Christmas. This sheet music is provided by 8notes.com. They're not a sponsor, but you can get free sheet music there along with the backing track. Check it out. I'll have the link below where you can get the music for free, download it, play along with their backing track. All right, so this version is an easier version, so yeah, this is a pretty easy version. Okay, so let's take a look at our key signature. What do we have going on? We have no sharps, no flats, okay? And looking ahead, do we have any accidentals? If you're looking at the same sheet music I'm looking at, you have the piano piece and the alto saxophone piece, so make sure you're only looking at the alto sax music. Okay, we have no accidentals, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's take a look at our time signature. What do we have? 3/4, more of a waltz, okay? And our first note is a pickup. Okay, we have some eighth notes, quarter notes. Rhythms shouldn't really be too challenging. So let's go ahead and give this a try, shall we? Okay, so since we have the pickup, I'm going to count us 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, play. Okay? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Excellent job. So if you've been with our intermediate series, this one probably isn't too challenging. But if you're a little bit newer, this might have some complicated areas. So let's break this down, okay? So for where we have those eighth notes, let's really make sure you break that down and practice that out. So let's look in the official full first measure, okay? Not where that pickup is. So we have, okay? Just all straight eighths too. This piece is not swung, it's not a jazz piece, this is a traditional piece. So everything is its certain eighths, okay? 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the counts there. And then it's the same thing in that top line, last measure. Once again, 1, 2, and 3, and. Okay, so it's 1, 2, and 3, and. So let's play this top line, okay? Once again, I'm going to count just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 because of that pickup. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Perfect. And remember, if you need to slow that down, take time on your own to slow that down. Even write your notes in if that's where you're at. Just write them right above. G, C, C, D, C, B, A, D, D, E, D, C. Right? And that'll help you too, if that's where you are at. Okay? Let's do it again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Perfect. Let's look at measure 5, okay? The rhythms are very similar. We have our quarter, quarter, quarter. Then we go to quarter and eighths again. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and, right? Then the following measure is a little bit different. It's a little bit easier. 1, 2, 3, and. Then we're ending on quarters, okay? So let's go ahead and give 5 a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. feels unconcluded, right? And don't forget that F is natural, right? We have no sharps, no flats. So if you missed it, mark it in. All right, let's go ahead and do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's go ahead and look at 9. Here we have no eighth notes during this section. We have half notes and quarter notes. So this section should feel pretty easy. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Not too hard, right? Once again, if you need to write your notes in, go ahead and write your notes in. Let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent job. Let's look at 14 now. Okay, here we still have the very similar rhythms. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and, right? And then it just continues with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Okay, this section's a little bit different, just a hair different from what we're used to. Right, it's just broken up into eighths versus the single quarters, which is totally fine. All right, let's go ahead and give this last line a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rest. Excellent. Let's do it one more time for good measure. 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent job. Let's go ahead and put it all together, and then let's play it with the piano. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, excellent job. Let's go ahead and play this with the piano accompaniment. I'm just going to put the sheet music up along with the program so we can see and play along together. All right, wasn't that fun? We're ready for Christmas now. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments. If you really enjoyed playing along with this piece, check out a lot of the other pieces that 8 Notes have. They have a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't even looked at it all myself either. I just know that they offer some free sheet music. They actually offer like a lot, so check it out. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.